Hi mga Bebe Queen, this is Adrian. Hi mga Bebe Queens, Bebe Queens, Bebe Queens. Hi mga Bebe Queens.
Hi mga Bebe Queens! For today's video ay mag-assemble tayo ng cabinet na nabili ko sa Shopee. At kung isa ka rin sa mga bumili ng cabinet na to ay perfect ang video na to para sa'yo dahil ito ang step-by-step guide kung paano i-assemble ang cabinet na ito. At para nga hindi na mahirapan mamaya sa pag-assemble ay inarrange ko na itong mga materials. Itong na-receive kong parcel, almost all plates may number pero may iilan din namang walang number. At pati nga itong mga iba't ibang klaseng screws, mga pako, mga hinges ay inorganize ko na para madali na lang pulutin mamaya pag kailangan na natin. Ito naman yung mga roller drawer slide and mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-assemble yung drawer at kung paano ikabit ang mga ito. Ito naman yung mga manual na kasama sa parcel na na-receive ko. Medyo confusing nga lang kasi duplicate copy lang ito ng same instructions and kulang yung instructions para mabuo natin yung cabinet. Pero mabait naman si seller dahil nung nag-chat ako sa kanya ay sinend naman niya yung mga missing pages ng manual. Bago tayo magsimula, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel ay click mo lang subscribe, hit mo na rin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong upload. Step 1, para sa base ay kailangan natin ang plate number 8 at number 7. At para makonect ito, kailangan natin ng long screw. And yung magkabilaang gilid naman ng ating cabinet, kailangan natin ng number 3 at number 4 na plate, 8 short screw, 4 na roller drawer slide. Ang ikakabit natin dito ay yung I at H para dun sa inner side ng ating cabinet. At yung mga matitirang roller slide ay ikakabit natin mamaya dun sa mismong drawer. Bago tayo mag-start sa step number 1, ay i-ready muna natin lahat ng ating materials. Tapos, itong number 3 and ito yung number 4. Itong plate number 7 ay meron siyang isang butas dito sa bandang upper side or upper part. Dito natin ikakabit itong plate number 8 gamit ang long screw.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test.
Ito naman po yung ating plate number 3 at number 4. Ito ang left and right side ng first layer ng ating cabinet. Paano malalaman kung ano yung outer at yung inner side? Yung mas maraming butas po, yun po yung nasa inner side. Dito natin ikakabit mamaya yung mga slide para sa ating drawer. At yung part naman na mas kaunti yung butas ay yun yung nasa outer side. At paano naman malalaman kung ano yung nasa taas or nasa baba na part? Itong makinis na part, ito yung magiging paa ng ating cabinet. So, nasa babang part siya. At yung nasa bandang taas na part naman ay itong may 3 butas. Dito natin ikakabit mamaya yung second layer ng ating cabinet. Itong maliliit na butas sa plate number 3 at number 4, dyan natin ikakabit mamaya yung ating mga slide. Para hindi kayo malito sa mga roller drawer slide, itong slide na flat yung metal part sa taas ng roller, ito yung para sa cabinet. At sa pagkakabit naman po yung part na may roller, imagine niyo nakaharap kayo sa cabinet, yung po yung nakapoint sa inyo.
You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next?
Step number 2, bubuuhin na natin yung first layer ng ating cabinet. So yung base at yung side number 3 and number 4 na ginawa natin sa step number 1 ay pagsasama-samahin na natin lahat. Ikakabit din natin sa ibabaw yung plate number 6. Ito yung una nating kinabit, yung plate number 7 at number 8. And meron siyang mga butas dito sa gilid. So, ikakabit lang natin yung plate number 3 and number 4 dito sa magkabilaang side. At dito sa mga butas na to, dito natin i-screw yung binuo natin na plate number 7 and 8. At ganito yung kakalabasan niya. So, isi-secure ko lang yung bawat sides gamit tong mga long screw.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored?
At dito naman sa mga butas na ito ay ikakabit natin ang plate number 6.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back from.
Step number 3, ikakabit na natin dito yung second layer ng ating cabinet. Ang kakailanganin natin dito ay plate number 1 and plate number 2. Dito natin siya ipapatong sa cam screw or cam bolts at isi-secure gamit ang cam lock nut. Pero bago natin ipatong yung second layer ay i-install muna natin yung pagpapatungan ng closet rod.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a
Dito naman sa step number 4, ay ikakabit natin ang pinaka-upper layer ng ating cabinet. At i-assemble din natin itong plate 10, 11, 12 para naman sa mga gap ng mga drawers. Itong dalawang plate number 5 ay may dalawang butas sa magkabilaang dulo. Isi-secure lang natin ito gamit ang mga long screw. At ito namang dalawang plate number 11, 10, and 12 ay i-assemble lang natin ng ganito.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the.
Dito naman sa step number 5 ay ikakabit na natin yung inassemble natin para sa gap ng mga drawers. Isi-secure lang natin to gamit ang mga long screw. Pagkatapos nun ay ikakabit na natin yung mga cardboard dito sa likod ng cabinet.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning.
At ito naman yung mga cardboard para sa likod, ipapako lang natin ito.
Just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Step number 6, ang mga kakailanganin nating plate ay 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Bubuuhin na natin yung dalawang drawer para sa ating cabinet.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Dito naman sa step number 7 ay lalagyan lang natin ng roller slides itong dalawang drawer na inassemble natin kanina.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Dito naman sa step number 8 ay ikakabit natin yung 2-panel door ng cabinet. Gagamit tayo dito ng 4 na cabinet hinges.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss. See, I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python. Grab what I like real fast, choke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see matter of fact. I'm my own worst enemy.
And that's it for today's video mga bebe queens. Sana nakatulong ang video na to. Just comment below kung may gusto pa kayong ipa-tutorial or kung may questions kayo. Kita-kits on my next upload.
Hi mga bebe queens, this is AP.